Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to fix Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop I'm worried about I could not able to connect my Bluetooth. What I have to do here? So simple and easiest way, I just want to show my Bluetooth device, add my Bluetooth device. It could not happen because Bluetooth is missing has happened. So what I have to do here? Simple and easiest way, just go to start menu and just type service. Once you type services, you will find a lot of services over here. Just select first service and just type a B for Bluetooth. So once you click a B for Bluetooth, there will be a B type of all services will be available. Just select a Bluetooth support services will be available. So just right click on that and just go to properties. Once you go to properties, there will be a startup type will be a manual. So you just select this one as automatic, so automatically the service will be start and refresh yourself, as well as the Bluetooth is working properly, means that status will be running, otherwise it will be having some kind of issues over here. So once you change automatic into a manual into automatically your Bluetooth will be work properly. The next step will be just go to start menu, just use right click, just go to device manager. Once you click a device manager has a lot of Bluetooth setup, a lot of device setups will be available. You will find a Bluetooth setup, so you can find out a Bluetooth device will be there. Just select update drivers and search automatically, it will fix in your system without any other delay. So if you have an internet connection, automatically your Bluetooth device will be updated properly. Now you can connect easily with your mouse, keyboard or any type of Bluetooth device. It will work properly. So simple and easiest way, I have found this easiest tip to connect my Bluetooth wireless receiver, headphone, everything will be. So if you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.